Hi, this is Bhavna, and you're watching India Today. If you have been on the internet, which I know you have been, you know who I'm talking about today. I think I remember first watching Lalita ji in photos in 2017, and today I'm sitting with her to know a little bit more about her profession as a nurse to celebrity kids. So, firstly, a huge welcome to India Today. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you very much for calling me here too.
No, no, it's completely my pleasure. Like I said, 2017 is the first time when I sort of was curious that who is this person who is with Temur everywhere, and because you were getting papped with him almost everywhere, and there was a sense of curiosity. But I think that also led to a lot of misconceptions about you, your profession, and your image in public life, like as an internet personality today. So, firstly, let's start with that. What is that one misconception you want to sort of clear and tell people that okay, fine, ठीक है, nanny nanny बोलते हैं, लेकिन it's not nanny. She's actually a professional nurse. But apart from that, what else?
Apart from that, you can call me as a mother nurse for all babies who I took care of. Okay, so professionally the nurse, Rastro, pediatric nurse. But beside that, okay, I took this home care, baby care jobs and all. From there onwards, everybody started calling me sister. But this media during this Taimur time has not known to any profession like that. They were first timers. Being a celebrity child, they are first timer clicking the baby's photos and everything, and I was objecting for all these things. So that misunderstanding, I don't know how I clear. I don't know. It
Now
will be
I think
cleared or not.
everyone knows, yeah.
I really don't know. But so slowly, I also accepted it's okay. Now their mentality is like that. They don't know what is our job profile, what we do, what we don't know, and how people should address us. They don't know anything.
Correct.
So we accepted now. I can't help it.
No, but Lalita ji, kabhi at any point did you get bothered by it? I'll tell you why. Because I remember back then there were articles saying that, and even some meme pages would say that even like because they would address you as a nanny, they would say that let's just leave every other job and become a nanny because you get paid that much and you get to be around celebrities. I remember there were a lot of things like that. Uh, for someone who is not used to this, a celebrity is used to memes and they're used to being in this sort of limelight. But as a normal person who is sort of not used to this kind of things being said about them and their profession, did it ever bother you?
Somewhere bothered me, but later on realized this is life. We can't change any, like each one you can't go on changing somebody, like oh why you're saying like that, why you not saying this. It's better to ignore. I learn to ignore now, because whoever is saying anything, like I really don't know, किसी को पकड़ के बोल नहीं सकते ना भैया आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो.
What are the two things? Because ना ऐसे दूर से ऐसे third person लोगों को लगता होगा कि ये तो मतलब it's a very easy job, but I can only understand that it's so much more difficult because one, you have to be present for that child all the time, and also other responsibilities with which comes as a celebrity child. For example, you have to also protect them from the paps, you have to protect them from external pressures that are coming in. तो मुझे बताइए ऐसी क्या चीजें हैं जो आपने भी over the years, जैसे क्योंकि जब आपने स्टार्ट किया था ये with
अनंत अंबानी,
उस वक्त इतना मीडिया अटेंशन
नहीं उस वक्त नहीं था. उस वक्त पूरा नॉर्मल चला था. ये सेलिब्रिटी क्राउड चालू हो गया ना. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद करीना मैडम. तैमूर के साथ मुझे जाना था. मुझे उन्होंने पहले ही बता दिया था कि see we don't like to picture, because Saif sir was very particular about it. He said no son's picture, because my earlier two kids pictures nobody is taken, then I don't want Taimur's pictures also to be out like that. So I said okay, I'll follow that. So जैसे whenever we used to come down to going to some friend's place or grandparents place and all, the paps was just down the building. So how to protect? So I used to cover his face, and then my face started coming up. So okay, people were started recognizing me that okay भाई तैमूर की नैनी, okay fine. When I go out also, अरे ये तो तैमूर की नैनी है. So some ladies used to come and ask me, can I take? I said no, I'm a normal person. Please don't take all these things. I'm not a very celebrity, so please don't do that. तो मैं अवॉइड करती थी. एंड देन पैप्स को भी रिक्वेस्ट करती थी कि प्लीज डोंट फॉलो तैमूर, ही इज अ चाइल्ड, ही इज अ बेबी, लेट द बेबी ग्रो इन द नॉर्मल वे एज पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो वांट. रिक्वेस्ट करने के बाद भी दे वर नॉट. So any class maybe we go to any classes to attend any just play school lesson, there also PAPs are there.
Yeah.
So how long I'm going to cover? Like I used to cover as much as I could.
I
but-
remember.
and then I used to and then I used to scold people like please don't. Sometimes I have to scold mothers also. Please don't leave your children and come to Taimur's photo.
अच्छा ऐसे भी होता था.
ऐसे भी
very
होता
good,
था.
yeah.
ऐसे crowd हो जाता था. Suppose we are in an open place, we go for some birthday parties. तो
और आप तो काफी सेलिब्रिटी बर्थडे पार्टीज को भी अटेंड करती थी.
yes,
because
yes.
Taimur would attend them,
It's a
right?
friend circle, no?
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
friend circle.
Yeah.
When we go in the friend circle, तो we see everybody around. तो वहाँ पे भी हो जाता था.
एक परसेप्शन एक थर्ड पार्टी के दिमाग में या फिर एज अ कॉमनर मोस्ट पीपल हैव इज दैट ओके ही और शी इज अ सेलिब्रिटी किड, तो उसको तो नाजों से ही पाला होगा. एक खरोच आए तो भी मतलब लाइक यू नो यूजुअली
No, 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 बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. यहाँ पे जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, मैं जहाँ से स्टार्ट करी हूँ अमित अंबानी के यहाँ से
Correct.
लेकर मेरी जर्नी अभी तक यहाँ पे जो चल रही है, सो इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग कहिए कि गॉड ग्रेस कहिए कि जो भी फैमिली मेंबर मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, जैसे कि यानी कॉरपोरेट में भी बहुत सारी ऐसी फैमिलीज मैंने काम करी हूँ कि बहुत सारे बिल्डर्स हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ठाकर बिल्डर्स वगैरह है, नैनतारा ठाकर जो मेरी जो वेरी फ्रेंडली टू मी टिल नाउ, एंड रिया पिल्ले है और जेठमालानी फैमिलीज है. तो इनके कैसे रिलेशन अभी तक फ्रेंडली रिलेशन है अभी भी हूँ. तो उन्होंने कभी ऐसे ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं किया. नीदर नीता मैम ने भी किया है और करीना मैम ने भी किया अभी तक. तो इवन क्लीम कारा के साथ चरण सर के यहाँ पे भी ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं. वो नॉर्मल है. सब कहते कि हम भी वैसे ही बड़े हुए हैं, गिरते पड़ते सब बच्चे बढ़ रहे हैं. तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं है कि मेरा बच्चा गिरना नहीं चाहिए, मेरा बच्चा दौड़ना नहीं चाहिए, चलना
फिर
नहीं
ये
चाहिए,
चीज़ का-
कि
हाँ.
strict- ऐसे कोई बंदिश नहीं है. ऐसे
बट
कोई
कुछ
strict
डूज
नहीं
एंड डोंट्स तो होंगे क्योंकि हर बच्चा भी तो अलग होता है, उनकी टेम्परमेंट्स अलग होती है. आई रिमेम्बर बचपन में जब तैमूर के एकदम वीडियोस भी आते थे एंड ही यूज्ड टू नॉट लाइक गेटिंग पैप्ड, राइट? तो पीपल वुड बी लाइक ओ लाइक पैप्स आर ट्रबलिंग तैमूर लाइक. And now the kid is so small, you can't really prepare them for these things. So how do you
नहीं.
tackle these things then?
I used to tackle, I used to request all the media people.
नहीं,
Then
but तैमूर को क्या बोला जाता था? मतलब
तैमूर
how
को
would you prepare him?
तैमूर को इसलिए मैं बोलती, तैमूर को यही बोलती थी कि तैमूर आपके पेरेंट्स जो है इंडस्ट्री में है, सो के दे आर वेरी बिग एक्टर्स एंड ऑल. तो उनको ये photographer they used to click photograph. So whenever they go out, they click their photograph, no? So you are their child, so they are clicking for you. So I will try to avoid you from camera as much as I can. You also hide your face, you also listen to me and turn yourself like this, how I say it. So he used to listen to me and sometimes he used to understand that when I covered his face, he will be
Correct.
covered.
Okay, but कभी question किया? Because बच्चे तो question भी
करते
करते हैं
करते
कि
करते
why?
किया है उन्होंने किया है मुझे कि why he used to call me CC, okay? तो sister करके नहीं आता था, तो he has given me pet name CC. CC, why they are clicking me all the time? Why they are only clicking me? My friends are also with me, but they are running for me only. So I said, beta, you are very handsome child, and main thing is that because of your Abba and Amma, they are working in the industry, and they are clicking their pictures, so they just want your picture along with them. Okay, then I will tell. I mean, okay. So I said I will. Then I requested to sir, this is what the question and everything is. So he said, okay, fine, we'll check with media, and then
I think they have couple of times I think requested. And then eventually, I think they also got comfortable with the fact कि ज़्यादा भी नहीं छुपा सकते.
नहीं
because
कर सकते
eventually,
ना.
yeah.
See how long now अभी बच्चा बड़ा हो गया, तो how long you are going to cover his face? So at a certain moment, ठीक है, childhood में, babyhood में, like up to 1 year, 2 year, I could control. But उसके बाद तो he is moving ना, तो नहीं हो सकता है. तो then I said, okay sir, अभी we can't help it now.
That's true. And then, were you also with Jay for a certain time? How is
Till
he
last
very
August
different
23.
from Taimur?
Jay is very cute and very naughty now. I mean,
Yeah,
Taimur is
naughtier than
very,
Taimur?
yeah.
Really?
Jay is very naughtier than Taimur. Taimur is good and innocent and very understanding boy, very good boy. And Jay is, yeah, similar, but cute है.
Uska, I think their temperaments as children, did you have to adapt to that as well? Ki
See, as per the babies, for example, any baby is little hyper. A hyper baby has to, we have to be little hyper accordingly to be very strong and active. Because hyper babies are like, you don't know in a second what next will be.
correct.
So that way I used to adapt myself.
I can only imagine it is very like challenging. It's not an
Yes,
easy job.
it is challenging because see, it is very easy to say that कि okay बच्चा अपने बढ़ते हैं, दूध पिलाना है, खाना खिलाना है, टाइम आ जाता है, like
Correct.
post 6 months start food, उसके बाद उनका दौड़ना गिरना पड़ना होता है. ये बोलने की बात होती है. those days, back days, like अभी की जनरेशन में इस एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड. Okay, routine हो जाता है because working mothers, working father, at home sometimes the grandparents are there, they are not there, maybe they are in the other side of the society, but वो हिसाब से टाइम टेबल बनाना पड़ता है कि okay fine, this is morning, this is mid morning, this is afternoon, this is mid afternoon, ऐसे टाइम टेबल हो जाता है. फीडिंग है, केयरिंग का, एवरीथिंग. सो जैसे जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 0 to 3 months में हमारा जो हो जाता है एक्टिविटी, उस 3 to 6 में अलग हो जाता है, 6 to 9 में अलग हो जाता है. तो उस हिसाब से वी हैव टू प्लान अ रूटीन. वो जब रूटीन हो जाता है सेट, द चाइल्ड इज learn to that routine, he used to that routine, and later on he's follow that routine.
आपको कभी see at the end of the day you know that this is the years that I'm working with a particular child and then eventually you'll move to another. But there is a sense of attachment that वो तो मतलब हम जॉब भी अगर 6 महीना करते हैं तो उसमें भी
उसमें
एक
एक
अटैचमेंट
attachment
होता
होती
है. तो यहाँ पे तो आप your
Life-
job
life.
also involves being involved with those kids personally, right? Have you ever felt a sense of like you know emotional this
Very much. When I was leaving Anand, it was not, it was my decision to leave because I wanted to do my naturopathy. Okay. So just to that I have to leave. So I request Nita Bhavan. We used to call her Nita Bhabi. So requested, send a letter. So and so thing is there. And even I felt that कि you know उनके साथ traveling भी होता था, बहुत traveling होता था. Where I used to miss my family, for example, my husband, my mother-in-law, my child who was very small at that time. So I decided to, I'll do something beside this. That time also I decided I want to do something beside this. So I wanted to learn naturopathy. In that period, they had taken my night nurse to US. So that summer break में 1-2 months का break में they were in America and London and other places, and I stayed back and that's the point I left. But it was a heartfelt. I was really in a tears because the child whom I raised till certain years and 10, 12 years and I'm leaving him. It was really bad. But detachment is really a teary. Like you don't express yourself. You have to stay back. You have to see your child's mother also, and the mother's responsibility towards the child is more than me. But my is like a heart-to-heart connection is always there. So that way I was very much involved in this, and I get involved. Detachment is very bad. And now for leaving Taimur and Jay, detachment is also very bad. Whenever I meet Taimur and all say, when are you coming back? When are you coming back? So that's a little heartfelt.
so why did you choose to finally move on from there to Charan's?
Yeah, I move on because I'm taking a step back. Earlier I used to be in a family for certain years, like this Ambani family 12 years. Post that I worked for other celebrity, Leander Pace the player. Okay, उनके साथ में थी I think one year almost. उसके बाद then Jetmalani family. Then I came to this Tackers Builders family. So there are many families like that where I stayed 2 years plus, 3 years plus and all. That way I came to Karina where I stayed for a longer term because she is a working mother and she needed a strong support behind her to be with kids. It's not that there are maids also was there with me, but as a strong person to be with kids, so I was there till then. Now I'm here.
कितने साल थे आप करीना के साथ? I think 5-6 years.
No,
More?
almost 8.
Oh wow, 8 years, yeah. फिर तो डिटैचमेंट और भी डिफिकल्ट हुआ होगा. जैसे बच्चे अलग होते हैं वैसे पेरेंट्स आर आल्सो वेरी डिफरेंट. एवरी पेरेंट्स टेम्परमेंट इज डिफरेंट इन द वे दैट हाउ दे वांट देयर चाइल्ड टू ग्रो अप, right?
Exactly.
So the brief will be very different. For example, like how my parents have raised me and how my aunt must have raised their kids is very different.
Different,
right?
correct.
So how do you adapt to different parents' needs and demands?
As per Neeta ma'am, she already like had twins earlier. So she was saying her way was totally different, a normal way, a proper normal way, like how any Gujarati family has a normal upbringing of the any child or not. And
Can
it
you
was a totally full family. Like it's not only these 3 kids, but their other cousins were there, like
Correct.
Anil sir's kids. And then Dipti ma'am's kid, then Neena ma'am's kid, all of them like on and off, on and off. So the family was full all the time. So it was very good to adapt with everybody's temperament, how to get with the child. And Anand was totally different with others. Like others were playing around and he was with his animals.
Oh yeah, he's always been different that way, and that's amazing. But what about because celebrity parents also come with different, it's like Neeta Ambani family was
no,
more
here I
close.
talk about the celebrity. I first attended Madam Karina. So they are also very normal, down to earth. I mean to say, like, it's not that we are celebrity. See, celebrity, where are they? After
On the red carpet outside
everywhere.
of their house.
Once
yeah.
they are entering the house, they are parents. So I believe in that. They are parents. They are parents to my baby. Okay. So however they are raised, their parents raised them. They are applying to their kids.
Correct.
So even Karina and Saib sir was very normal. They told me I want my kids to be grow in the normal way. How we have done that, like how we have, my parents have taught us normal way, everything. So that way only for Taimur and Jay. We don't want anything like we are celebrity and ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए. No.
But how did you come on board for Ramcharan, and did they give you any other brief? Because their family is also like very private and not like
Their family may private, but they are also very down to earth people and very normal and down to earth people again. Because it's not. I said no. I'm blessed with getting kind of families to work with, but yeah, they are also very normal. They also have a lot of cousins. They also get along with everybody every time, whenever it is, all the group together, and children are growing, seeing them being together. That's the most important, and the part is that way only. They ask me to raise their kid also like that only.
But
Let the
ललिता जी
child be.
चैलेंजिंग तो है किस तरीके के, अगर आपको ये बताना है, बिकॉज अगर लोगों के दिमाग में ये है कि ओके इट सीम्स लाइक अ वेरी हंकी डोरी जॉब, if you had to list down 2 things which you have to be prepared for mentally to be able to do this, वो क्या होगा? क्योंकि you are also dealing with people and especially children, they have no control over their emotions. It's all over the
See,
place.
there the part
Yeah.
like sometimes you feel that the child is need that support, mental support. Child is crying for something and child is nobody's understanding why the child is crying or why the child going through this traumatic phase or something like that. So that particular minute is like a little challenging for me to give, I know, make them understand this is what the reason. So at that particular minute, I am just telling the parents to be calm. Acha, be calm and let me understand why this is happening, and I will explain to you this is what the reason. That's the particular minute I need to give that my mental, like, okay, fine, here you have to be very strong to understand child and give the explanation to parents.
कभी ये बॉदर हुआ जब लोग, आप अगर आज इंटरनेट पे अपने बारे में सर्च करोगे तो the first thing that comes is that she is getting paid that much. It's become an aspirational thing. True or false, I don't think you need to even explain. But my point is, when your salary is probably
been,
the most discussed
Most
thing on
discussed,
the
it has been gone comparing to Prime Minister when during the Taimur time. I said, God grace, I wish I get that. And I'm telling you, I must get that much now because I have started my own business. As I'm mentioning to you, that I started my Mantra consultancy, which is going to help mothers for nice, good nannies and maid service and everything. With that, I'm going to get a good perks,
see, you
salary.
already know now. She's even telling. Yeah.
So that way my business is growing and I'm going to get lot of
Correct.
this thing. But yeah, salary wise, lot of big article I used to get that yes, she is getting more paid by. But my question was like that, like okay, fine, I'm working for 24/7, no holidays, no you know, any Diwali holidays, no functions, no nothing. I'm round the clock, I am on duty, and beside that, any corporate person is earning, working for 9 to 5 as an executive level. Okay, they compared me to that post level also. Okay, more than executive CEO I'm getting, but those people, they are getting 9 to 5 job, maybe 9 to 6, 9 to 7, Saturday, Sunday holiday, vacation, family gathering, birthday parties, Diwali, Christmas. Huh? What am I getting? I'm round the clock. If a Diwali is there, I'm out of the country. Christmas, I'm out of country. Summer vacation, I'm out of country with clients. So I have right to take that much money.
Yeah,
People should give me that much money. In fact, all my clients listen to me and give me that much.
Has it ever happened that you have like sort of negotiated saying that listen, you're not paying me that much, but the article says that I'm getting paid that much?
This when this was started, you know, that time newspaper used to come, it was there clicking all the newspaper. So Lata, you're paid by relatives. Lata, you paid more than Prime Minister. Lata, you paid more than. I said, I wish I must get that much money. I would have been very happy and don't have to go into it.
True, but also.
But now too, I'm openly saying, see, CEO, Prime Minister, everybody, they have the timetable. We don't have a timetable. Correct. We are working at night, we are working in day. Correct. Like in a between, we get a break for some hours, like one hour, more than 1 to 2 hours. That's all. But that's right for us to earn that much money.
Of course it is. I mean, and I don't think anyone has the right to question that anyway.
I have no idea how this
I think it is just an aspiration for people.
I think blindly somebody has
put मतलब लोगों को पढ़ने में मजा आता है कि
ठीक है ना मैं पढ़वाती और कुछ पढ़वा देती हूँ.
No, but also another thing, I think because you're so close to the Kapoor family now, people were expecting that okay, maybe Raha would also be sort of
when I was there with Jay at that time.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I was with Jay at that time when Raha was born.
So you could never. Did they approach you though? Because I said there's a lot of demand for you.
No.
Then
because when they know I am with Kareena ma'am, nobody will ask me.
Okay, and then सीधा चरण सर के यहाँ पे कितना टाइम हो गया आपको वो वहाँ पे अब?
I think I joined in September.
So like
because उनकी डिलीवरी हो गई थी जून में. I was in London and holidays with Kareena madam.
Okay.
So post that, I took a break from them and I started. So I almost thought about I will just take a year, 1 2 year work
Correct.
only and not work more than that.
Yeah.
And
So
I'll
now-
focus on my business.
What are the challenges now with the business? Because abhi tak everything was.
No. I have already started this, but full fledged में openly now I'm already on platform. Just not letting know everybody, but people were knowing and I was already
How
started.
has the response been so far?
Positive.
Very nice.
Getting a good clients and I'm having a lot of candidates who are waiting for me to like they just know that. I know the candidates I know. I approach them only. I don't give random candidates to anybody. But हाँ मुझे इस पे विश्वास है ये मेरी लड़की अच्छे से काम करेगी तो I give them.
अब तक कितने ऐसे कॉल्स आ गए हैं आपको
मेरी
आपके
तो
क्लाइंट्स
more than 60.
नहीं ये बोलते हुए कि चलो आपकी लड़की तो अच्छी है लेकिन हमको आप चाहिए.
I
ये भी तो होता होगा.
I but I said that I'm not continuing anymore. Just after Conidale, I think I don't.
You don't want to continue.
Continue मतलब कि I will continue in Bombay itself, not going out of station.
Yeah.
Even if I go for just for 6 months, ऐसे करके निकल आना है.
आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा at one point कि मतलब प्यार तो आपको इंडस्ट्री में लोगों से सेलिब्रिटी फैमिली सबसे पहले से ही मिल रहा है, बट आई थिंक नाउ पीपल आर ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टेड इन योर लाइफ इन अ वे. हाउ डू यू टेक दैट?
How do I take that? I really don't know how to take it because मैं खुद नॉर्मल हूँ और मुझे अभी कल ही I was coming from Hyderabad at the airport. There are many ladies, group of ladies. They saw me. अरे आप यहाँ हैं ललिता जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपकी बातें सुनकर. अच्छी मतलब आपने अच्छी बातें कही है, सो बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपकी बातें सुनकर. तो मैंने कहा हाँ ऐसे मैं बोलती रहूँगी अभी. हाँ, तो सेल्फी वगैरह ले ली. दी अदर साइड एक आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग फॉर द गेट टू ओपन. आई वाज सिटिंग ऑन द चेयर. तो 5-6 चेयर्स और एक आदमी ऐसे बैठा था. द मिनट ही सॉ मी, उन्हें ऐसा रिएक्शन किया जैसे कौन है, दूसरी साइड जाकर बैठ गया. तो मैं अपने फ़ोन चार्जिंग कर रही थी, उनको उन्होंने ऐसे सिर हिला दिया जैसे ये कौन ऐसे क्यों आ गए. तो ऐसे पब्लिक्स भी मिलने लगे हैं मुझे अभी.
वो तो
ये
it's a
तो
part and parcel of
होता है.
getting popular because yeah,
तो
yeah.
पता नहीं. तो मैंने कहा अरे मैं क्या कर रही हूँ उससे, तो ये ऐसे ऐसे सिर हिला रहा है. मैंने कहा छोड़ दो, इग्नोर कर दो ऐसे लोगों को. क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा था कोई मेरी सेल्फी ले रहे हैं, कोई ये कर रहे हैं, तो
उनको लग रहा होगा. That's true, but it's okay.
तो मेरे लिए ये सब नया है. लेकिन मैं कुछ इसे ऊपर नहीं पहुंच रही हूँ और नहीं नीचे. मैं अपनी जहाँ जगह है वहीं पे खड़ी हूँ.
Yeah. No, but you're doing great, honestly, and I.
सी ऐसे लोगों को लगता है कि हमारा जॉब वेरी इजी एंड ऑल. इट्स नॉट इजी टू बीइंग इन द फैमिली, वर्किंग फॉर फैमिली, हाई प्रोफाइल फैमिली. ओके, हमको सब तरह से देखकर ही लाइक वी हैव टू सी ईच एंड एवरी सेकेंड, ऑब्जर्व एवरी सेकेंड, सुपरवाइज एवरी सेकेंड विद द चाइल्ड. It's not that ki okay they said they are normal, it happens with every kid and all, but then too also supervision, observation, everything is needed.
Absolutely.
It's not that ki okay fine, I don't think so I am doing it that way and I will be doing like that. मुझे दूसरों का पता नहीं है, मेरा तो ऐसा ही कि I am very alert. At night also I see that 4 to 5 times, so I have to get up and see like the children, and I don't sleep that way also.
Correct.
So when I know the child is with mother, I get peace of mind and I sleep for 1 hour in the afternoon. But otherwise no, मैं fully alert रहती हूँ.
That's a lot of hard
Yeah,
work.
and when I am at home, I sleep like a log. My husband
But
also
उस वक्त
allows
आप
me
deserve भी करते
to.
हो
My
तो
husband
फिर
allows me to sleep. He said you sleep. I know that you don't sleep there at work, and it's better to. Yeah, ये मेरी आदत बन गई. Last अभी 30 years से continuously करते आ रही हूँ. तो I am generated myself in that cycle. Okay, fine, no problem. I can be awake for continuously.
Correct.
Round the clock.
I think वो एक आपने अपनी बॉडी को उस तरीके से ट्रेन
कर दिया.
Because
एंड
that
वो एक
happens.
मदरली फीलिंग होती है. ओके, मदरली फीलिंग मीन टू से लाइक आई एम फीलिंग लाइक अ मदर नर्स. तो वो हो जाता है ना कि बच्ची की हर मोमेंट पे, हर मूव पे और हर क्राई पे ध्यान देना. आई एम जस्ट totally
But you
devoted
know,
for that.
on a parting note, I want to ask. Every parent says that every child is equal to them. Honestly, thank you, Lalita ji. This was amazing. I think जो respect आपकी job को मिलनी चाहिए वो finally now that you're
अभी
talking.
appreciating,
हाँ.
everybody appreciating that. अभी सबको recognize हो गया है. Okay, फिर pediatric nurse. Okay, we are in the hospital pediatric nurse. Once we are left hospital line, we came to home care. So okay, fine, you call me sister, but instead of calling me nanny and all, forget about that. Now the part is gone. I don't want to fight on that part. Let it be. Whoever wants, however they want to call me mother nurse, call me nanny, call me sister, or call me Lalita, call me Lata. I have no.
Yeah, but respect the job.
But
that they're
respect the job. जो कि because of that job, you parents are working peacefully, and you parents are in the peace. Okay, even the grandparents are in peace. Okay, fine, Lata is there. Okay, my child is safe. Even whoever it is working, they are there, my child is safe. So think that way for each and every candidate who is working for baby care.
Lovely. On that note, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Bhavna. I'm appreciated. You took nice questionnaire for me. I really liked it.
Thank you.